The sun was bright, the waves gentle, and the sand warm underfoot. Maya had just arrived at the beach for her long-awaited vacation. She carried with her not only a bag of essentials, sunscreen, a towel, and a pair of sunglasses, but also a sense of excitement. For her, this wasn't just a trip. It was a chance to slow down, meet new people, and discover the rhythm of life by the ocean. Over the days ahead, she would explore, laugh, face small challenges, and create memories she would never forget. Buying a drink. Excuse me, do you sell cold drinks here?
Hi there. Yes, we have water, soda, lemonade, fresh juice, iced tea, and even coconut water.
Perfect. It's so hot. Do you recommend something really refreshing?
The watermelon juice is very popular today. Freshly pressed this morning.
That sounds amazing. Is it cold?
Ice cold. I keep it in the fridge.
Great. I'll take one, please, with ice.
Here you go. Nice and fresh.
Thank you. Oh, do you have paper straws?
Yes, of course. Here's one.
Perfect. This is my first time at this beach, so I think I'll need a lot of cold drinks today.
Welcome then. Stay hydrated. The sun here is very strong.
I will. Thanks for the advice. Renting an umbrella. Hi there. Do you rent umbrellas?
Yes, I do. Would you like one for the whole day?
Yes, please. The sun feels really strong.
$5 for the day. You can choose any color.
I like that blue and white striped one. Is it available?
Yes, it's free. Do you want me to help set it up?
That would be great. I've never been good at those things.
No worries. I'll secure it deep in the sand so it won't fall.
Thank you. I'm here alone today, so extra shade will be nice.
Alone? Then definitely take care in the sun. Do you also need a chair?
Not this time. Just the umbrella. I have my towel.
Perfect. That's $5, please.
Here you go. Do I need to return it later?
No, just leave it where it is. I'll collect it at sunset.
Easy enough. Thanks for the help.
You're welcome. Enjoy the shade, Maya.
Renting a chair. Excuse me, can I also rent a chair? My towel keeps sinking in the sand.
Of course. Chairs are also $5 each.
Perfect. I'll take one for today.
Do you want a low beach chair or a reclining one?
Reclining sounds nice. I'd like to relax with a book.
Great choice. Here's one, very comfortable.
Wow, it's nicer than I expected. Do people often rent these?
Yes, especially tourists who don't bring their own. Locals usually just sit on towels.
Makes sense. I didn't pack any beach gear. I'm traveling light.
That's why we're here. Do you need an umbrella with it?
Already got one earlier. Thanks again for making it easy.
No problem. Enjoy your chair and relax.
I will. This feels like a real vacation now. Renting a surfboard. Hi, do you rent surfboards here?
Yes, we do. Are you experienced or trying for the first time?
Honestly, first time. I've always wanted to try.
That's great. We offer lessons for beginners. 1 hour with a small board is $20.
That sounds fun. Do I need to know how to swim well?
Yes, basic swimming is important. Can you swim comfortably?
Yes, I can. I'm just nervous about falling off.
Everyone falls off at first. That's part of the fun.
Okay, then. I'll try a lesson. When's the next one?
In 20 minutes. I'll show you the basics on the sand first.
Perfect timing. I'll go get my sunscreen and meet you back here.
Sounds good. Don't worry, Maya. You'll stand up on the board today.
I'll believe it when I see it. Renting snorkeling gear. Hi, do you rent snorkeling equipment?
Yes, we have masks, snorkels, and fins.
Great. How much is the set?
$10 for the whole day.
That's fair. Is the water clear enough for snorkeling today?
Very clear. If you swim near the rocks, you'll see colorful fish.
Wow, I'd love that. Is it safe to go alone?
Yes, just stay close to shore and don't touch the coral.
Of course. Do you provide a bag for the gear?
Yes, a mesh bag so it dries quickly.
Perfect. Here's the money.
Thank you. Enjoy your underwater adventure, Maya.
Thanks. I can't wait to see the fish. Booking a boat trip. Hello. Do you organize boat trips from here?
Yes, we have daily tours along the coast. Do you want a short ride or a full-day trip?
Maybe a half day. What's included?
We stop at 2 small beaches, provide drinks, and you can swim or snorkel.
That sounds amazing. How much does it cost?
$30 per person. We leave at 2 p.m. and return around 6.
Great. I'll book one spot for tomorrow.
Wonderful. What's your name?
Maya.
All right, Maya, you're on the list. Please arrive 15 minutes early.
Will do. Do I need to bring my own towel?
Yes, but we provide snorkels and water.
Perfect. I'm really looking forward to it. Asking for the bathroom and shower. Hi, excuse me. Could you tell me where the bathroom is? Of course. Do you see that white building near the lifeguard tower? Yes, I see it. That's the bathroom. Free to use. Perfect, thank you. And is there a shower nearby? I still have sand everywhere. Yes, just by the parking lot. There's a tall silver pole with a button in the middle. Oh, great. Is the water cold? A little, but on a hot day like this, it feels wonderful. True. I'll go try it after the bathroom. Thanks a lot. You're welcome. Stay cool. The sun is intense. Asking for directions on the beach. Hi there. Sorry to bother you. Do you know where the main boardwalk is?
Yes, just walk straight past the red flag, then turn left by the snack bar.
Oh, so not far?
About 5 minutes walking. You'll see shops and restaurants once you reach the pier.
Perfect. I was afraid I'd get lost in the crowd.
Easy to get turned around here, but just follow the music.
Good advice. Thanks a lot.
Anytime. Enjoy the boardwalk, Maya.
Talking to the lifeguard about waves. Hi, are you the lifeguard?
Yes, that's me. How can I help?
The waves look pretty big today. Is it safe to swim?
The flag is yellow, which means swimming is allowed, but be careful.
I'm here alone. Is that a problem?
It's always better with a friend, but if you stay close to shore, you'll be fine.
Okay, I'll just walk in the water then.
That's a good idea. And if you have trouble, raise your arms. I'll come right away.
Thank you. It's reassuring to know you're watching.
That's my job. Enjoy the beach, Maya.
Lost and found. Hi, is this the lost and found?
Yes, did you lose something?
Yes, my sunglasses. I think I dropped them this morning near the showers.
Can you describe them?
Black frame, simple, with a small scratch on the left side. Let me check the box.
Are these yours?
Oh, yes, that's them. Thank goodness.
Great. Can I have your name?
Maya Thompson. All right, I'll note it down. Please be careful next time. Definitely. Thank you so much. You're welcome. Enjoy the rest of your day. Asking for sunscreen help. Hi, excuse me, could you help me with something?
Sure. What do you need?
I can't reach my back with sunscreen. Would you mind?
Not at all. Do you want a thick layer?
Yes, please. My skin burns fast.
Okay, here we go. All done.
Thank you. That's a lifesaver.
No problem. First time at this beach?
Yes, I'm on vacation for a week.
Then enjoy it fully, but remember to reapply every 2 hours.
I will. Thanks again for being so kind. First aid for a cut. Hi, could you help me? I cut my foot on a shell.
Let me take a look. It's small, but bleeding a little.
Ouch, it stings.
Don't worry, I'll clean it with fresh water and put on a bandage.
Thank you. I was worried it might get infected.
As long as you keep it covered, you'll be fine. Avoid swimming for a couple of hours.
Got it. I'll rest in the shade instead.
Good idea. Come back if it hurts more.
I really appreciate your help.
My pleasure, Maya. Stay safe.
Looking for a spot on the beach. Hi, excuse me. Is this spot taken?
No, you can put your towel here.
Thanks so much. It's so crowded today.
Yes, weekends are always busy.
True. I'm glad I found a little space.
Welcome. I'm Anna, by the way.
Nice to meet you, Anna. I'm Maya.
Enjoy the sun, Maya.
Chatting with a local. Hi, do you come to this beach often?
Almost every weekend. I live nearby.
Lucky you. The ocean here is beautiful.
Yes, and clean most of the time.
I'm visiting for just a week, so I want to enjoy it all.
Then you should also try the sunset. It's amazing from the pier.
Thanks for the tip. I'll definitely go tonight. Meeting another tourist. Hi, are you on vacation too?
Yes, I'm from Canada. And you?
From Chicago. First time here.
Same. I'm exploring Miami beaches this week.
That's exactly what I'm doing. Maybe we'll bump into each other again.
Probably. It's a small world on vacation.
True. Enjoy your day.
You too, Maya.
Family asking questions.
Excuse me, do you know where the ice cream shop is?
Yes, I saw one near the pier. Just walk straight and you'll see it.
Thank you so much. He's been asking for ice cream all day.
I understand. It's the perfect treat for this heat.
Enjoy your day, Maya.
You too. Making friends with kids.
Hi, do you want to help me build my castle?
Sure, I'd love to. Where's your bucket?
Right here. We need more towers.
Okay, let's make them tall so the waves don't reach.
Yes, this will be the strongest castle ever.
I think so too. Want me to dig a moat?
Yes, please. That will protect it.
Thank you for playing with him.
My pleasure. It's fun for me too. Joining a volleyball game. Hi, do you need one more player?
Yes, we're short by one. Want to join?
Absolutely. I love volleyball.
Great. You'll be on our team. Ready?
Always. Let's win this.
That's the spirit.
Playing frisbee. Hi, nice throw. Do you mind if I join?
Sure, the more the merrier. Can you catch?
Let's find out. Catches frisbee. Not bad, right?
Pretty good. Where are you from?
Chicago. Just visiting for a week.
Cool. I'm local. I come here almost every day after school.
Lucky you. This beats sitting in traffic back home.
True. Okay, heads up. Long throw.
Got it. Wow, that was fun. Thanks for letting me join.
Anytime, Maya.
Learning how to surf.
Ready for your first surfing lesson, Maya?
A little nervous, but yes.
Don't worry. First, lie down on the board. Hands here, feet back.
Okay, like this?
Perfect. Now, push up slowly, then stand with knees bent.
Whoa, that's harder than it looks.
It takes practice. Want to try in the water?
Sure, let's do it.
Paddles out, tries to stand, falls.
Oh no!
Don't worry, everyone falls the first time. Try again.
Okay.
Tries again, manages to stand for 2 seconds.
I did it!
Yes, great job. You're officially surfing.
That was amazing. I'm hooked already. Asking about snorkeling spots. Hi, excuse me. Do you know any good places to snorkel around here?
Yes, near the rocks at the far end of the beach. Lots of fish there.
Oh, perfect. Is it safe?
Totally. Just don't go too far out and watch the current.
Got it. Did you see anything interesting today?
Blue tangs, parrotfish, even a little sea turtle.
Wow, I'd love to see a turtle. Thanks for the tip.
Enjoy, Maya.
Joining a boat tour. Welcome aboard, everyone. Are you Maya? Yes, that's me. Excited for the trip? Great. Today we'll stop at 2 hidden beaches and a snorkeling spot. Sounds amazing. How long is the ride? About 4 hours. Drinks are included. Perfect. Do we see dolphins sometimes? Yes, if we're lucky. Keep your eyes open. I hope so. This feels like a dream vacation already. Glad to hear it. Relax and enjoy the ocean breeze. Talking about fish and sea animals. Wow, I just saw a bright yellow fish. Do you know what it is?
Probably a yellow tang. They're common here.
It was so pretty, and I saw something striped too.
That's a sergeant major fish. They like to swim in groups.
Amazing! I feel like I'm in an aquarium.
Exactly. The ocean is the best aquarium.
I agree. This is the highlight of my trip so far. Watching the sunset. Wow, the colors are incredible.
Right? The sunsets here are famous.
I can see why. Orange, pink, purple, it's magical.
Do you come here often?
No, I'm just visiting. My name's Maya.
Nice to meet you, Maya. I'm Leo.
Nice to meet you too, Leo. Do you always watch the sunset here?
Whenever I can. It reminds me to slow down.
That's beautiful. I'll remember this moment for a long time. Final scene. Saying goodbye. I can't believe it's already my last day here. The week went by so fast.
That's how vacations are, Maya. Did you do everything you wanted?
Almost. I swam, surfed, tried snorkeling, ate too much ice cream, and made new friends. That's the best part.
Will you come back?
Definitely. This place feels like a second home now. The sound of the waves, the sunsets, the people. I'll miss it all.
Safe travels then. Don't forget us.
Never. I'm taking the memories with me. See you next summer.